Hi, it's Becky here from Brightside Music. It's really nice to see you all today. We're going to be learning Three Little Birds by Bob Marley. You should have all had a little go at this, but if you haven't, here's a quick refresher for you. You need 3 chords for Three Little Birds. 3 chords, 3 little birds. Works quite nicely, doesn't it? Your first chord's going to be C. So we all know C. C for 3. We've been doing it for weeks. Bottom string, 3rd finger, 3rd fret. Sounds like that. Just need 1 finger. That's the really easy 1-finger chord. The next chord's going to be F. So you've got your 1st finger on the 3rd string, bottom 1st fret, and then your 2nd finger, waggle it over to the top string, 2nd fret. There's your F. And the final chord is going to be G. A little bit tricky, but we should have been practicing this. 2nd fret, 2nd string, 1st finger, and the 2nd finger is also going on the 2nd fret, but it's going to go on the bottom string underneath like that. And then waggle your 3rd finger over, and it goes on the 3rd string, 3rd fret. There's your G, like that. Strumming pattern, you could do it one of 2 ways. So you're going to mute the strings on the beats, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the strum in between either happens with your 1st finger upwards, like this, or it could happen with your thumb downwards, like that. You'll see both ways in the video. So, I think we're all ready to go. How exciting. Good luck!
My message to you.